Today from accounts class we have discussed about bill of exchange method 2. Already we have completed bills and bills honored method. We have completed 2 sum, and today we have start with the bills endorsed to creditor and honored at maturity. So this means I am a seller, and other side there may be a buyer. They come to buying already purchased commodity from us. So after maturity period, I want to say that my buyer, you need not to pay amount for me. Instead of, you can pay my creditor from X or Y directly. So this method we can call as a bills endorsed method. So on behalf of myself, I redirect to my buyer. You can pay directly amount to my creditors. So that method is called as a endorsed. Okay. So you can see that sum. Question 3. On 1/1/2016, Balu draws a bill on Ravi for rupees 1,600 for goods sold at 90 days. It means by 3 months. After sight, Ravi accept the bill on 5/4/2016, mean by acceptance of the bill. Balu, however, endorsed the bill to Sohan in settlement of a debit of rupees 1,700. On maturity, the bill was duly honored by Ravi. So the journal entries in the books of all parties. So here there are 3 parties. You can read the hint. Ravi purchased goods from Balu for rupees 1,600. Ravi is a purchaser, drawee, and Balu is a seller, drawer, and third one of the persons involved in this sum, his name is Sogan. Okay. From this sum, Balu said to Ravi, after the maturity, that means 90 days over, you can pay amount to Sogan, not for Balu. Okay. So these kinds of method we can call as endorse. And second point, as it is Balu is a seller and Ravi is a buyer, drawer, drawee. Balu draws a bill on Ram for the same amount of 3 months. Okay, so 90 days here we should be considered as a 3 months. And next, Ravi accepted a bill on 5/4/2016. Okay, so on maturity, the bill was duly honored by Ram to Sogan. Okay, not for Balu. You can remind the same format bill of exchange. Now the step 1, we have preparing the books of entries Mr. Balu, drawer or seller as on 1/1/2016. Step number 1, sales entry from the book of Balu. Ravi account data to sales account. Debit 1 comes in, credit 1 goes out with it. Ravi account data to sales account. Amount 1,600. The narration you know that the same. And step number 2, in the books of entries, Mr. Ravi, drawee or buyer as on 1/1/2016. So now, in the point of Ravi, this transaction should be considered as a purchase. Okay, the same methodology. 1st January 2016, step 2, purchase account data to Balu account. So the same amount 1,600, 1,600. And step number 3, in the books of Balu, ready to accepting the bill. So Ravi accepting the bill. Step number 3, 5 April 2016, Balu account data to bills payable. In the point of Ravi, it is mean by a bills payable. So Balu account data to bills payable account 1,600. Step number 4, in Balu account, the same bill, it should be accepted by the Balu. So in the point of Balu, may be income. So he can treat it as the bill as bills receivable account data to Ravi account. As it is, you know that they are same amount 1,600. And finally, step number 5, Ravi entered in After the 3 months, that is in the site of 90 days plus 3 days grace days, 5th April 2016, bills payable account data to cash account. Generally, he is writing in his book, bills payable account data to cash account. So in this narration, you can see that being a final settlement of cash to Sohan against the credit purchase of Mr. Balu. So actually, Ravi paid to Balu. So this is the sum is endorsement method. So he paying the amount to Sohan. So right away, the final entry written by the Balu. Step 6, 5th April 2016, Sohan account data to bills receivable account, 1600 C. You can see that narration here, being final settlement of cash against the credit sales to Mr. Ravi for Mr. Sohan. So final settlement not received by the Balu, the final settlement may be received by the Sohan. So this method we can call as a endorsement method. So with the consent, I can put the class. If you have any clarification, please you can put your comment, or otherwise you can ask our official website, our official WhatsApp. Thank you so much.